Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join Shopee affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar and type in join Shopee affiliate program and hit enter. Now you will see a list of search results on your PC. Here you're going to select the first link, that is https affiliate.shopee.com. So click on Shopee affiliate program and you'll be on this page. On this page, you will have to click on enter button. On this page, you will have to log in using your user credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button at the bottom. When you click on sign up, here you can enter your phone number. You can log in through Facebook or Google. So I'm going to choose Google and select an email ID for making an account and click on continue. After I click on continue, I'll be logged into my Shopify affiliate program registration page. As you can see, it says my name, the account type. So you can choose whether your account type is individual or an enterprise. So I'm going to choose individual. Now I'll have to scroll down and I can choose my promotion platform. Here, I will have to select at least one platform that I plan to promote the products on and approve for registration. So you can link Shopee, Instagram, X, that was formerly known as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and other accounts just by clicking on the plus button just after that link. So whatever platform you are going to use for promoting your products, you will have to click on the add icon after that platform and click on continue. Now you'll be promoted to another page where you'll have to allow Instagram to use cookies and similar technologies and other applications and websites. So if you'll be already logged in with your Instagram account, you'll be promoted to this page where you'll have to just click on the allow button. Click on allow and you'll be set up. If you want to connect other platform, click on the add icon and you can also just add the URL of that specific platform and click on confirm, and when you do that, your Shopee affiliate promotional platform will be added. Now you'll have to scroll down, enter a contact number, choose your country code from this, enter a phone number in this field. Also enter your contact email and click on send verification code. When you click on send verification code, you will receive a verification code on your Gmail. Now navigate to gmail.com on your PC or your mobile phone, open your email and you will see an email that says Shopee affiliate. Click on that email and copy this code shown in the email. So enter the code in this field, that is email verification code. Now you can also add a referral code that is optional and make sure you select this box and click on submit. After you click on submit, you will see a page that says registration submitted successfully. Thank you for signing up to our affiliate program. The information submitted will be reviewed by the Shopee team and an email will be sent to you at your email address. Now click on learn more about Shopee affiliates and you'll be promoted to this page. So what you're going to do is simply wait for 5 days and you will receive an email that will confirm your submission. And after doing this, you would have successfully registered for Shopee affiliate program. Just wait for Shopee to confirm your identity and after that you can use your user credentials to log in on this page, that is affiliate program page, and that's how you can join Shopee affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.